Okay, the last one, the last continent we are seeing, right? So there is Bass Strait between mainland Australia and Tasmania. ते दोन ह्याच्यामधले हे दोन राज्यांच्या मधले. So this is what you can consider, which is very, 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 very good, right? If you have gone to Sydney, right? Probably, if anyone or anyone would have seen this kind of in any of the movies or in the YouTube, right? So you must have come across this particular point. So that is Australia and Tasmania, the same point, with a total land area of, right, this much, 856 lakhs, sorry, 85 lakh square kilometers. Right? You can see very small, right, as compared to other continents. So the Australian continent is the smallest and lowest lying human inhabited continent on the earth. Mansapan kami hai. See, these are the some of the different things which you can consider. So the interior of the continents are predominantly the plains. So you can see the plains, right? So these are the plains. So southeast and southwest plains are the most densely settled areas of Australia. कोणचे? Southeast and southwest. हे तर आपल्याकडे पण दिसतंय, बरोबर. थोड्या प्रमाणात हे पण पाहतो आपण. हे ओळखायला येतं की नाही माहित नाही, हे ओळखायला येतं की नाही माहित नाही, राईट. एनिवे, so Australia is known for vast wildlife, right? So there are some rare species and it's known as the land of the kangaroos. That's what you can know, right? So okay, another point. So originally the original Australians are called Aborigines. Right? So Aborigines are the original inhabitants of the Australia, whereas other people, right? So Australians are known to have the what kind of, sorry, Australians are known to have an ethnic sort of origin. So they are called original peoples are called Aborigines. आणि जे बाहेरून आलेले ते असेच जेव्हा इंग्रजांचं वसाहत होती वगैरे त्या काळामध्ये आलेले काही बाकीचे आहेत. अनदर पॉइंट, हे असं काय हाताने बनवल्यासारखं वाटतं की नाही, but it's true. So one of the interesting things of Australia, right, and that is what the Great Barrier Reef, which is the world's largest coral reef, right? So जातात लोक कधी कधी पाहायला, right, reef. So that's what you do have in this particular thing, right? So I think yes, Australia is an Iceland continent. Probably this might be light. Yes, this is what I said. So native people in Australia are called Aborigines, whereas other people in Australia are related to the criminals which have been sent from Europe long ago, right? When the EIC had ruled at that time, so the criminals had been sent there. So koalas and platy cows live in Australia, right? So the Great Barrier Reef in the, that's what you can consider Samudra Kinara, right? So having the koalas and the platypuses, right? So that's what you do have in the continents, right? So I think this is the last one, and that's the end you can have. Anything which you would like to ask or know more? दोन तीन दिवसापूर्वी तोंड धुत असताना एक नख लागलं होतं पाठीमागच्या बाजूला. आय वॉज नॉट फिलिंग वेल. थोडस आतलं सुजलंय होतं. आज ठीक आहे. आज किमान एवढं बोलू म्हणजे असं इतकं मोठा जबडा जास्तीचा आ करून बोलता तरी येऊ शकतंय. Okay, nothing else. Then I will leave the meeting. Okay, thank you everyone.